How to make good habits stick. You've probably heard the saying, if you're doing the right things, you'll eventually get the results you want. This wise advice applies to situations where you're putting in a lot of effort, but you're not seeing much result. It could be from anything from golfing to parenting to working in sales. You seem to be doing everything right, but success continues to elude you. And you begin to wonder, should I just give up? Autumn is a time when many people are hoping to set new goals, make a new start, and take on personal initiatives. This is because fall was the season of our new beginnings and our most formative years. It's when we started a new grading school, facing new academic challenges, accepting new opportunities, and hopefully achieving greater social maturity. But whether it's getting in shape, taking control of your finances, or learning a new skill, the key to success will be to always make the behavior you need to achieve that goal a habit, something you don't debate with yourself about doing. You just do it, even when you're not seeing results. And that in itself can be a formidable change. Jeff Haddon, writing for Inc., observes that when we have a big goal we want to accomplish, we usually set up a daily routine that will help us achieve it. That just makes sense. For example, if you want to get in shape, you need to exercise regularly. But Haddon points out the problem with the routine, which is a specific set of things that we do, kind of like a recipe, is that it can be easily derailed. He gives the example of a friend who had an ambitious health routine which centered around his Peloton bike. It included getting up early, eating healthy, and pedaling for 30 minutes. It was going fine until the pedal broke on his bike. While his friend waited for a replacement, his whole health routine fell apart. So to solve this, Haddon recommends, replace your routine with a practice. At first, it sounds like an overly fine distinction, but he goes on to explain that while a routine is simply what you do, a practice is who you are. So if his friend with the broken Peloton had replaced his routine built around cycling with a daily practice of exercise, he could have lifted weights or gone for a jog while the bike wasn't available. Routines are focused on what you do, but practices are about the why. When circumstances require, writes Haddon, that the what can change, but the why should never. If one of your September goals is to finally get your finances under control, give me a call. I'm happy to help you create practices that over the long term will result in greater financial stability and peace of mind. You can reach me at Dawn@DS Financial Strategies or call my office at 215-660-0288. Thank you and have a great day.